so excited to be coming to talk to you today because it's finally time to plant the tulips. So my tulips arrived a month late. It is now way past the time I should be planting these tulips. So it's almost the end of November. It's like November 19th. These were supposed to arrive a month ago. So it's gonna snow in the next few days. There's a huge cold front coming through. It's gonna rain and snow. So I literally have to get these in the ground today. Today's the day. So I don't have time for this really because the holidays are around the corner. I have events for my soap. So I'm literally going to dig a ditch right here. I've already tilled up the row. When I did my peonies, I tilled this up. So it should be okay. I'm gonna dig a ditch. I'm going to throw the tulips in the ground. I'm going to put some compost down. I'm going to cover them back up, and I'm gonna go home and make more soap. So I have 500 tulips. This is the first time I've ever planted tulips on this scale. I will show you the 500 different tulips I have. I have 100 of each kind. So 5 different colors and varieties of tulips. These are not your everyday tulips. These are doubles or very unique colors. I will try to remember to put pictures up on the screen for what they are. I got these in wholesale because I'm a business and I can do that. They are from Ball and Edney Flower Balls. Okay? So the first 100 that I have in my hand are Triumph Continental tulips. Yeah, I'll show you a picture. I don't even remember what I ordered. I know one of them's like a black purple, which is cool. The other one is a double early avant-garde. So double means it's a double tulip. It's not your average and everyday tulip. This one here, let's see, double price. Yeah, double price. I like the doubles because they're pretty. And then the next one is double late Gudoshnik double. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Gudoshnik sounds fabulous. And then the last 100 are double late Katinka. Katinka. I don't know. I'm just gonna put them in the ground. I'm excited. Some of them are already kind of sprouting. Now, something also to think about is my deer pressure. So I'm going to bury these. Then I am going to get some low tunnels to put over, a low tunnel to put over the row because the deer love tulips. And we all know what a healthy ecosystem I have on this farm. So the minute I think they're about to come sprout up, I'm gonna cover them with insect netting, maybe some fencing, maybe even some solar electric fencing, because this is a little bit of an investment and I would like to have some tulips to sell in the spring. All right, enough talking. Let's get to work. Ditch, tulips, cover, go home. Let's go. This one? Okay, well, I think that's pretty good. We're gonna see what happens. I might add a little more compost and some leaves. I think I will add some leaves to top it, and then we're set. So that's pretty much it. I am very winded. My gosh, I'm so out of shape. That's pretty much it. Just threw the tulips in the ground, hoping for the best for the spring. And we're gonna try our hardest to protect it from the deer, because little Bambi, she needs to eat, but I'd prefer her not to eat my tulips. So, all right, hope you guys are doing amazing. Whew, I am tired. I gotta go to the gym. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.